Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to go invisible in your Epic Games launcher. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have in your Epic Games account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, if you want to go ahead and go invisible so you do not appear online to other people that you're friends with, then all you have to do is these two steps, which are very simple. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here into the upper right corner where your profile picture is. Go ahead and click on that icon right there guys, and now this will open up a new drop down menu giving you multiple options to use, such as seeing your achievements or editing your account settings or seeing your account info and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the second option right here called settings. So guys, go ahead and click on settings, and now guys, this will open up this new page where you will be able to edit settings regarding your account. And guys, if you look at this first option right here called enable offline mode browsing, this is the option that we want to turn on. So guys, go ahead and check this option, make sure that it is checked blue next to it. And now guys, after turning this option on, now you can successfully go back to your launcher, and now you will appear invisible to your friends and you will not appear online. You have successfully gone invisible. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.